Hi, everyone. Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the concept of competitive advantage. By the end of this video, you'll understand what competitive advantage is and how to build and sustain it. Let's get started. Competitive advantage is what sets your business apart from competitors, allowing you to generate greater sales, margins, or customer loyalty. It's about offering something unique and valuable that others can't easily replicate. There are two main types of competitive advantage: cost advantage and differentiation advantage. Cost advantage means being able to produce goods or services at a lower cost than competitors. This can come from economies of scale, efficient operations, or access to low-cost resources. Example: Walmart achieves cost advantage through its massive buying power and efficient supply chain, allowing it to offer lower prices than many competitors. Differentiation advantage involves offering unique products or services that provide greater value. This can come from superior quality, innovation, brand reputation, or exceptional customer service. Example: Apple differentiates itself through innovative product design, high-quality materials, and a strong brand, allowing it to charge premium prices. Sustaining competitive advantage requires ongoing effort. This involves continually improving your strengths, staying ahead of trends, and adapting to changes in the market. For instance, Nike maintains its competitive advantage through relentless innovation, strong branding, and endorsement deals with top athletes. Even as competitors arise, Nike continues to lead through consistent performance and brand loyalty. Remember, competitive advantage isn't static. Regularly assess your market position and adapt strategies to maintain your edge. Focus on what makes you different and how you can deliver exceptional value. That's the essence of competitive advantage: identifying what makes you unique and leveraging it to outperform competitors. Use these strategies to build and sustain your advantage in the market. Thanks for watching. I hope this video clarified competitive advantage for you. Drop any questions in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more business insights. Stay ahead and stay innovative.